How much is one?
Different price. 4, 3, and 5.
Oh, aja ini ya. Coba kita cari-cari satu persatu. How much is one?
Those are 10.
10. Only one size ya. It's too small. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, bro. Apa kabar bro? Menurut saya semua. Sekarang nih gua ada di hari Minggu pagi bro, di daerah Concord, California. Berdua nih kita belum merehat. Dan kita itu mau hunting lagi bro ke Pasar Loa. Memang bener-bener Pasar Loa itu adalah tempat yang luar biasa mantep, yang banyak banget lu bisa dapet barang-barang yang luar biasa. Dan gue itu mau cari huntingan di sini seperti biasa bro. Gue cari mungkin Hot Wheel yang langka-langka kayak gitu. Sama gue mau cari sepatu bro, sepatu yang juga langka-langka, oke? Karena sepatu kayak gitu harganya itu luar biasa miring sih di sini ya. Dan yang pasti hari ini tuh luar biasa rame banget. Bakalan kita tuh desak-desakan di sini. Jadi ya udahlah, kita lihat apa aja yang ada di sini, oke? Let's go.
Oke bro, ini sebenarnya adalah video gua yang ketiga bro. Lu harus nonton dulu video gua yang pertama sama kedua bro ya. Tapi sekarang kita mau cari barang-barang bekas yang super duper mantap nih. Khususnya itu Hot Wheel gitu.
It's not a toys. It's another toys. Belum Rehan, mana ini? Look at this. Oh, this Ferrari. 1999, but condition is not good, Rehan. Ferrari juga, kita beli aja lah ya. Ferrari. How much this one?
Everything in that box is
$1 each. Yeah, go there. Get the money. Yeah, go there.
Thank you, baby. Here you go. That's nice.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Look at these shoes here. This is Nike shoes, full sole. Look at this. 15 bro, gede banget. Keren tapi ya. Full sole. Oh, smile. How much is one? How much is one?
Those are 10.
10. Only one size ya. It's too small. It's
They're big,
yeah, they're so big.
but they're like $150 shoes.
Yeah, exactly. Wow. I hope you had a small one. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
The toys.
Oh, that's
Oh, that's a Zoom Zoom. Ask them how much. How much is one?
$2.
Two? You want it? You want this? And then what else?
Maybe that's that. I want that kit. This is the light.
Okay.
Light.
Do you have Hot Wheel?
No.
Nah. Look at that. Lamborghini Maestro bro, $7. Ford Thunderbird. Wah, keren ini. Ford Thunderbird, Volkswagen. Keren ya bro.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you. Lihat nih Star Trek bro. How much is it?
$3.
$3. Star Trek.
This is brand.
Lihat ini. Ini diecast dari pesawat-pesawatan kayak gitu ya. Seru juga ya. Pesawat-pesawatan. Keren sih ini. Dari Maestro, pesawat-pesawatan gitu bro. Ini nih. Seru juga ya. Siapa yang seneng bro pesawat-pesawatan gitu? Ih seru nih. Pesawatnya juga macem-macem. Lihat tuh, ada Navy, kumpulin diecast pesawat gitu ya. Ini ada juga yang helikopter kayak gitu, United States. Ini juga pesawat. Seru nih. Ini sih yang paling keren sih, ini sih menurut gue nih. Cuman baling-balingnya udah patah bro.
Cage.
Ini juga pesawatan nih, adventure. Oke. Maisto. Pesawatan Kid Aircraft. Maisto. Ini Hot Wheel. Oh yeah. Look at that. Hot Wheel. How much is one?
Different price.
Oh different.
4, 3, and 5.
Oh, 4, 3, and 5. Okay. This one is the
Only
dairy
this one at
free.
$10.
How much?
This one at $10.
This one 10?
$10.
Oh.
This is for the collection.
Oh, I see. Okay. This is Mustang. Oh, this is the same $10. Okay. Yes.
Other one.
Oh, Daytona. Okay. Oh, this one also. Oh, this is like it's rare, yeah. People's looking on it.
This is
Yeah.
$10.
Oh, I see. This one too. Bajabak Mustang. This one. This one is Racer. Hot Wheel Racer. This one is Classic Racing Classic Championship. Ferrari. I'm looking for Ferrari.
Only one, no?
Oh, you have it here also? Johnny Lightning. Oh,
One is for the $5 and $4.
Oh, is it? Oh. This is Mustang.
This one is 2 for $1.
Oh, this is
2 for $1.
2 for $1. Dodge. 2 for $1. Alright. This is Track Chevy. Kopnya kayak gini. Lucu banget kopnya. Oh, Vestal Line. This is Dodge. Oh, this is the Chevy Noma Mustang. Yeah, Ferrari is it?
I don't know. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, this is American Cruise. Alright. It's a lot of people selling a car right now, eh? In here, in this place. Oh, okay. Collectible. Okay. This is Komaro. Okay. Alright. How much is one?
$5.
5.
Yeah.
It's NASCAR. Yeah. Okay, this is Chevrolet machine. Mustang. Oh, this one is cool. Oh, this one is what? This is Aurora. Single wheel. Okay. Dodge. Aurora. How much is one? This one from here. This
This
another
one
one.
and $3.
Ah,
And this one 50 cents. $3.50.
take this. Wait then.
Hold on.
Take this. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, you said it by the set? Alright.
35 for the whole set.
Oh, okay. Do you have Bone Seeker.
Bone Shaker. The,
Yeah, Bone Seeker. I'm in that one.
Not in that one. No. Oh yeah, I do. Yeah, the whole set. I got
Oh,
the
but
whole,
have to go
you
with
have
this whole
to buy
set,
the
yeah?
whole set.
Ah,
yeah.
I
Bone
see.
Shaker itself is $15.
Yeah, I know. The Bone Seeker is kind of like a favorite. People's looking
Yeah.
at it, right?
Bone Shaker and this one here.
Oh, that one is people looking also?
Yeah.
How much that one?
I've seen them up to $5 to $10.
Oh, okay.
I've got, like I said, the whole set, and
Yeah.
I've got a few extras.
Oh, I see, I see. Yeah, I have it, this one actually. Back to the Future. Oh, this one is Back to the Future.
I've got the 510. Oh, that's the Skyline.
Yeah.
That guy.
Yeah, I have it at home. I have it at home. Are you collector too?
Yeah.
So you already ordered the wheelie from the Red Line Club?
Which one?
The wheelie, you know what I
No,
mean?
not yet.
You know, yeah.
Only Red Line Clubs. I've got it.
Oh, the Red Line Club. Yeah, I see.
They're just getting too hot. I gotta put them up.
Yeah. Ferrari, you don't have it, yeah? Alright, sir. Next
All
time
right, have
then.
a good day.
Thank you. Oh, ada mobilnya lagi. Look at this. Oh, this bunch of Hot Wheels. Oh, ini dia kolektor Hot Wheel. Look at that. Semuanya nih sebenarnya nih. There's a lot of Hot Wheel here.
Like this.
Yeah, it's the old one.
They have a lot of stuff.
Yeah. How much is this one?
Do $1 on those ones. Yeah.
Two?
Yeah.
You have Ferrari?
Ferrari?
Yeah.
There might be one in there. But, might be some in there.
Someone here? Take a look. Here. Oh, Cadillac. Ferrari. Susah ngeliatnya bro. Mana nih ngeliat caranya nih? Ini apa nih? Hot Wheel Prototype 12. Aja ini ya, coba kita cari-cari satu persatu. Oke. Apa ini? Ini Toyota, bro. Keren juga Toyota ya. Toyota RAC. Terus juga ini ada ini cara ngeliatnya sih bro, bingung gue bro. Roll Petro. Terus macam ngeliatnya nih bro, aduh mantep nih bro, sampai bingung gue bro. Dodge, nah ini Dodge Prototype. Ini ada ya. This is the old one too. This Bone Seeker 50 years steam. 50 years steam. Mana bro yang mantepnya bro? Oke. Sun ready. Ini kok kebalik ini? Oh, bukan ini Maxbox. Honda CRX. Lotus Lamborghini. 20. Oh, that's a custom. Oh, I see. Nih ada yang bawa lagi bro. Apa aja nih? Kita lihat nih. Bingung bro. Banyak banget. Udah ya. Alright bro, thank you so much udah nonton semuanya. Alhamdulillah dapetnya luar biasa banyak banget nih sekarang. Dan sampai nih sampai satu kotak banyak. Dan Rehan juga ada banyak toysnya. You like it? Udah banyak banget bro, udah banyak banget. Bakalan gua review apa aja yang kita dapat di hari ini. Dan mantap nih, oke. Dan lanjut kita ke mobil. Thank you.